Hello everyone, my name is Nicolas Morales. I'm a student of analysis of the development of software programs at Sena. So in this video I'm going to talk about technology evolution in my professional field, especially how it affects the way I work as a developer and how I continue transform my projects in the future. This presentation is part of the activity of Sena. Uh, so, so, um, well, give me one sec. Gotcha. And well, the technology evolution in my professional field basically, software development has changed a lot of during lots of years as me. So at the beginning, mainly websites were simple, built with HTML and CSS. JavaScript became more powerful and allowed to create interactive pages. And after that, we started using frameworks and libraries like React, Angular, or Astra to speed up development and improve structure. So today, many applications are deployed in cloud, and we have started to use AI tools to write code. Basically, it is part of the evolution of my professional field because it feels the same. Um, this is something really important that is the evolution for development. Um, and well, by the end of this decade, developers will have been working with AI assist tools for many years, and this will be considered completely normal in our industry. This is a chart, the evolution of how the stuff has been changing around the time. Um, so well, if we go directly of point three, evolutionary versus revolutionary products, in my case, basically, well, in my field, I can see two types of technologies change: evolutionary products and revolutionary products. Evolutionary products are improvement or something that already exists. For example, versions of Bootstraps, modern frameworks like Astra using TypeScript instead of plain JavaScript. These tools improve performance, structure, and maintainability, but the way that work is pretty similar. On the other hand, revolutionary products completely change the way we build software. For example, AI coding assistants that generate refactor code, serverless platforms that hide the server's infrastructure, and headless CMS no-code tools that allow non-developers to build parts of the system. In a few, many companies will have been relying on these revolutionary tools to reduce development time and cost, of course, and developers will need to adapt to these new ecosystems. Um, so this changed a lot of stuff like cultural change and technology and evolution don't only affects tools but also work with culture. And basically, today many software teams work remotely using tools like video calls, chats, share repositories in GitHub, in GitLab. This was not common many years ago, but we also have DevOps culture where development and operations teams collaborate to automate deployment, testing, and monitoring. Most systems are not designed to run in cloud environments, and collaboration happens in real time through platforms like GitHub, GitLab, project management tools, this kind of stuff. And finally, the impact on my work um, was basically became um, what I am now. In my personal professional projects, I can clearly see this evolution. For example, working in Divina Providencia, there is a web project similar to Airbnb where users can see rural accommodation experiences and contact the host. Also works with CMS migrations and landing page for clients. Madera Viva, there is another project for furniture and e-commerce related project. Thanks to these modern technologies, I can deploy websites using platforms like Vercel, improve performance with update frameworks, and use tools that automate repetitive tasks. So in the future, I will have completed more projects using AI, of course, to accelerate coding, testing, and design. So this is like how the evolution of the technology how impact my life. And basically, well, to conclude, the technology in my professional field is constantly and very fast. Tools, frameworks, platforms change all the time, but they also give me new opportunities to build better and more efficient solutions. Of course, it's technology, and if we keep learning and adapting, we will have been building modern, scalable, and useful systems that respond to real needs in our communities and in the industry. In my case, I will continue working in projects like Divina Providencia, CM's migrations, and digital solution for businesses. We always try to apply that I learned about new technologies, of course. So thank you so much for your attention.